Welcome to Kalabara Forecasting. I'm Tamit Chande. This is Suresh Kumar. Now we are going to look at a final video of how to prepare a planetary path. Last week I gave how to make ephemeris into to create our chart. So in that I said to convert the degree between the 90 degrees plus or minus. So I mentioned some formulas. Whatever the formula here I given, I just copied and I put it here. Just whatever this done, as per this order you keep it. Again I am showing because many people ask this. So first column you leave it, second column be date and actual what is the degree of Venus I kept here. After that I convert the Venus degree within a 90 degree. So I explain the logic behind that why it is plus or minus 90 degree. So because of exaltation and debilitation. So each planet same date, exact degree and conversion degree. So just like that Venus, Mars, whatever the formula is there, I just copied and pasted in this. So this is the formula for each for Venus, Mercury, Sun, Saturn. So please one more time refer the video, then you can take it back. Okay. So now let's go to the part how to. So after getting the data, I kept all the data only after conversion. So here I added Nifty close values also from 2009, 2010 onwards. I am prepared this. So you look all the data, historical data I kept here. So now you look around 10 to 11 years are there. So Sun, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter conversion degrees one day I kept here to prepare the chart. Now what I did, I want to prepare only 1 year. So here you look, I given some date. From the date exactly 1 year I want 6/1/2010 to 1 year. That 1 year only means, so 1 year only what are the planetary degrees and Nifty close values will get here. Okay, so now how to prepare, it is very simple. After preparing this, just select all. What are the values you want, you select. After that go to insert in chart. So already preparation chart will come, recommended chart, just like this. Just select this and click OK. The chart will comes like this. Now we need to modify this. I will tell you how to do that. First, this select the axis. Go to chart type. So now here it will come combo. Combo means we need to change secondary axis. This Nifty close we convert into here secondary axis is there. Secondary axis, select secondary axis. Now we get a clear picture. Now you see data are there. This is a price. So price we can modify the line as a any color, whatever color we want we can modify. I kept a red color as a price. Okay, so here you look the price, whatever the line you want. Sun means just blue, so Mars little red. So just like that each color is described with the lines. Okay, so dates also we can align as a right. So now this is a chart, we got it. Now I will tell you what to do now, how to compare the price with this chart. Okay, if you want you can 1 minute. I will just nothing else, just fill a line, solid fill whatever color you want, you can fill it. Okay, outer also we can fill with color, some darkness, so some little dark. Some blue. Okay, right. So just now I got it. Now I just select the price. Because price you see, now we should, you see the range of the price on, I selected this at 2010. So range of the price might be seems to be a 5,000 to 6,000. So here select this, right click, format data series. We'll get this. Select. You can select here. Right side axis is there. See 7,000. This value we should change. There you look. Now minimum to maximum. So minimum value we should keep 4,500. So maximum value we keep. So major we keep 1,000. Now you see we got the chart. See this value, this green color is mercury. So market is getting down. So mercury is falling, market also falling. Mercury rising, market also rising. Mercury falling, market falling. Mercury rising, market also rising. You see it is following a mercury. And so any kind of, now you go to simply you go to change any date. Suppose I want to check 2011. To modify here 2011 chart will come. So now you look mercury here, mercury is falling here. So exactly look around this. You just if you want we can modify the data range. If we modify the data range, just select here, because this 90 degrees is stable but market movement is not stable. So we have to change minimum and maximum value. So 4,000 kept, maximum value might be 6,500. So just only thing, if you modify, the chart will be aligned for us. Right now you look, market is fall down. Here you see it is pattern. It is a consolidation. Actually fall was happened. See, and the suppose if you want some insert lines also, you can see fall is there. So till this fall, after that market is taking some inverted pattern, here falling, here rising. Looking now, so some inverted pattern is happening. So this part is completely inverted. From there, when it crashing down, this completely inverted pattern, somewhat it matching after the end. You look, it's rising, it's falling. So it's 2011. So 2012. Every year you can check 2012. See 2012 market from here it's moving perfectly. Here you see I told you last year it was an inverter. So inverted is market is falling, here it is a rising. So after that now some consolidation, now market changing with the mercury. So mainly you look mercury and Venus is very importantly working in market. 2013. So we need to arrange this data. So this format axis we always keep. Suppose 4,000. 4,000 is a bottom. So actually market range is more than 5. So we convert into 5,000. So only thing, this is only we need to arrange. Now you check. See, you see still 1 minute. I will show you how exactly this year 5,500 I modified. Now look, exactly when mercury changes, exactly turned from here. Mercury is falling, price also falling. Mercury rising, price also rising. Exactly this area you see the cross. This blue line is Venus. This line is Venus and Mercury. Both are conjunction is happened. From that conjunction, trend is reversed. Now you look, it's moving up, moving down. So some inverted, again you see it's rising, it's a falling. So exactly see it's inverted, but again here conjunction is happened. That is, prices movement is conjunct with the Mercury movement. So now exactly look, the price is inverted. So most of the time Mercury, so Mercury is the market, some analysis saying Mercury important for market. So same it's reflecting. So just modify range, depends upon the range we should modify. We should modify 6,000, 7,500. Still we need to modify 8,500. Now we look and 2014 how market is behaving. Market is falling, it's also falling, suddenly slowly rising. This fall is not happen slowly, you see with the Mercury movement perfectly it moved. See, so exactly from this point market is taken an inverse pattern. So here mainly we came to know Mercury's important role in financial market to create a trend. So either it should be an inverted pattern or trend will continue with this Mercury. So as per my analysis also I said Mercury is important. So many planets, you look at many planet conjunctions happen here. That is why inverted also possibly. Okay. So every year how I prepared all the years. Suppose I want 2020. The big fall was happened. So now we should modify the data to the range minimum 6,000 to maximum 13,000. See, Mercury is falling. Here you look. I modify this 1 minute. 7,200. Look. So fall, this fall is at an already Mercury is falling down. So price also falling down. It's a very speedy movement. Finally, it is almost, you look, almost Mercury is taking a bottom. Price is also taking a bottom near to that period. It took bottom when Mercury moving almost same manner. Now exactly you look this area. It is diversion. Inverted pattern is made. So most probably we can able to identify the trend of the market based on the Mercury movement. So mainly we should watch where Mercury is getting conjunction with any other planet. If the trend is changed in that area, then we should be very careful. Suppose 2021 right now, how will be the pattern? Still till date I updated. So just I modify this data only we have to modify. So this year 12,000 minimum and 16,500 as a maximum I kept. So now you see 1 minute of data we should modify. So just this 14,000, 13,500. So here it started to falling down, rising, inverted pattern. So around this area, see market is rising. You got it now? Market here taking bottom, here also almost near to that area. Market took bottom, now it's moving, it's trying to move closest to the Mercury movement. So still I am looking still this area. What we say, still this area it's showing a 25th August. So 25th August or 27th, already I said price and time getting squared on 27th August. In my previous video Nifty prediction I put that. So now you look, it seems to be till 27th August market is getting towards the high. So after that market some fall might be possible. So it's saying August end till August end we should keep our long position. So slowly it has to move up only as per this analysis saying. So further we can analyze. So this video really very helpful to you, I think so. You can try to make it this any other stock. You put one day weekly close values. You can check that whether it's working or not. As per my analysis, major turning it's happened after this analysis. Mercury is an important role. Okay. After that, some planets also working here. When it combined together with Mercury, then we can get an effort. Okay. So now I end this all the part. So now everyone came to know how to prepare a planetary lines, how to combine together with the price. It is easiest one. Someone asks, please do the Excel sheet of this preparation. So I explained clearly how to prepare each and everything. Try to prepare by your own, then you will get a more confident on this. That is why I am teaching that. If I want to give it Excel sheet means, I think it is a not, you have to learn yourself. I am giving some, what is it? I try to make you do your own. Okay, so just to prepare like this, you get a good idea how market will move. So based on that, we can enter in market. Right now, so this movement, this actually this range, yearly range only we should adjust. That's only the part. Other than that, everything is fine. Okay, so now keep on this. You look at this, almost here bottom made, now moving towards this Mercury line. So Mercury moving towards the exaltation. So till Mercury exaltation, market seems to be a high. Okay, so thank you more. Please, if you like this, just subscribe my channel. Thank you.